I want to show you this transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, you must have two clips that are side by side on your timeline. Click and highlight the first clip and go to the remaining 1 second of the video and make a cut by holding Ctrl and pushing K. Duplicate the clip you just cut by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above. With the duplicated clip selected, go over to Effect Controls and select the Pen tool. Move over to your preview screen and draw a triangle starting from the bottom left corner to the top right, then the top left and back to the starting point to complete the mask. Change the mask feather to 0, then right-click the mask and select Copy. Now select the bottom clip and go back to Effect Controls. Go over to Opacity and right-click and then Paste, and then check off the inverted option. Now we need to nest both of these layers separately. Right-click the first and select Nest, and then Accept. Then go to the second clip and do the same thing. Under Effects, search for Transform and add the effect to both of the nested clips. Now click on the top clip and go to Effect Controls. Then scroll down and click the stopwatch icon next to Position under Transform, and make sure your playhead is on the first frame. Move a few frames ahead and then change the X and Y position values to 0. Now uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle, then change the value to 180. Then move this keyframe to the end of the clip. Now let's repeat this for the other clip. Go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for position, and make sure you're at the start of the clip. Now move ahead a few frames and then double the values for both the X and Y position controls. Move this keyframe to the end of the clip, and don't forget to disable the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the value to 180. To complete our transition, simply move both nested clips up a video track, and then drag your second video underneath it to finish the effect.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.